Siyakwamkela kwakhona siyabulela ngokuhlala nathi. Iintshatsheli zeCAF iMamelodi Sundowns ziza kube zijonge ukugcina indlela yazo yempumelelo xa ziza kube zijongene ngqo neenxilimbela zaseMorocco iWaydad Athletics Club kumdlalo womlenze wokuqala kwimidlalo emibini ehlelelwe ukudlala ngempelaveki.
Mamelodi Sundowns are still in high spirits coming from a win earlier this week against Free State Stars and will be looking to transfer that same confidence on Sunday when they take on Moroccan giants Waydad Athletics Club. The Tswana Giants understand that they can't underestimate their opponents and that Sunday's win is crucial in defending their title.
We need to be humble a little bit, yeah? So just try and win, go to the next stage. And then you are in the semi-finals and you have to go from the semi-finals to the finals. And when you're in the final, doesn't mean you're going to win. You must also win. So you have a long way to go. So that is why we're trying to have two teams within a team to be able to try and win the league here and also try and retain the Champions League, which is not easy.
With a jam-packed schedule and the PSL having to work around the Brazilians' international calendar, the players are well aware of wear and tear. Midfielder Hlompo Kekana understands the importance of reducing player injuries and having enough depth on the bench to carry the team.
At the moment, we're working on our recovery more than last season. I think last season we were naive. We didn't know what was happening or what was required from us as players. But I think now we know that we need to rest a lot and make sure that we apply ourselves very well in the games and make sure that we try to win in as many games as we can.
With the likes of Kama Billiat, Yannick Zachary and Anthony Lefeur struggling with injuries, it was a former Bidvest Wits skipper Spusiso Vilakazi who was called up to step in and proved his worth on Monday.
I think the most important thing is that if you create chances, you put those chances away. But at the same time, it's important to put zero away because of it's going to be much difficult when going away to play that with that side because they're a very, very good team. I think we're able to watch a few games of theirs, and I think they're a very, very good side. But it's going to be important that we use the home ground advantage in terms of trying to score goals, if not one or two.
Nkosi, Soweto TV News, Glorkop.